we need to go up. Ni idea. Just gonna continue and let's see where. So we got as high as we could basically, because later it starts the off-road and I will go, but we don't have the tires, we don't have the protections, and this fabric with the scooter, so yeah, we are not really able to do it. Today we are going full asphalt. That could be a rally street, by the way. Like, you could do fucking rally here and it would be amazing. Oops. Oh no. Now we need to brake. Not so pretty. But yeah, see you later, boys. Let's see where we get down here. I mean, I know, but... Oh, damn. So cool. Nice. It feels like skateboarding this street, I don't know how to explain it. Like surfing the road, you know? It's kinda small also, I'm not gonna lie. Kinda small, I would not like to see a car in front of us. Funny as fuck, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm enjoying it actually. I'm not a fan of downhills. Thank you. We are in La Florida. We go. We come all the way to Florida. Damn. Feel like a roller coaster. Vale. I think we can stop recording here and we are gonna see each other later. Because we are not seeing anything about the island now. It's just like a road that goes down. So yeah. I think we still have pretty places to see. Because I told you today, I already told you. I already told you. Like English. Today is express. It's like video express, just thank you. Just to, I don't know, just to vibe a bit because I felt like I wanted to record something and I wanted to do the try in English. Oh, we are here, really? All the way to come back here? No fucking way. Wow, so we already did that street one, that road one. And that is a rally, like that, this one, it's a rally road. Like I remember because once I was with Fagro doing off-road, we came up of the off-road, by that road, we did down the road and all that, and on the bridge that we just crossed it, there was like stopped, that you cannot pass and all that, like was blocked because there was a rally, and the rally was going in this street, in this road. So yeah, let's gonna do a bit of rally with Padre, and later I don't know. Because it's not like we have infinite time today, so we need low key to speed run. I took that better than him. That's way better than you, eh? You also have a scooter. We used to race each other when I got the other motor. But like chill racing, you know? Damn, the BMW. Okay. Yep, I remember now perfectly where we are. Fuck, Tenerife, it's so fucking small, man. I used to fucking Europe, now it's everything like, oh yeah, we're here. Okay, okay. Fucking island though. Remember that there was not a fucking cloud? Look. There are clouds. Crazy, eh? Fucking crazy. And look at like all the fucking island was sunny, but nope. Maybe. If we get higher, like over there, we take a bit of rain, and maybe we are going there. I don't know. The turns in this fucking island are so motherfuckers, like either you know the street or forget about going fucking fast. Because it's very fucking dangerous. Nah, we are not gonna get rain. Sadly. Or yes? I don't know. That thing, the mountain that goes down, here is called Barranco. And there's a lot of fucking barrancos. And I want to see you a house that sits on the barranco. And no, it's not that one. That is too good of a house. Looks so cool, by the way. Hello. Not here yet? Okay. Not here, so we need to pass. Okay. I'll check on you later, guys. Wait. Okay, here should be the house. There you go. That one will be my fucking future house. I love it for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, but we go fast. Because Fabrizio, for some reason today, he wants to speed up. Speed up is very nice. Sorry, we cannot go. That's another client that I used to have on the oil thingy. And Monday closed. Damn. I understand why we used to come back here Tuesdays or Thursdays. Also, that was another client. The rodeo. Damn. Memories, eh? A lot of them. Okay. I think we stop recording here because now we're gonna enter on the village and we cannot go fast to fast. We were up there, eh? And in nothing we did all that. Tell you, the island is there is raining, I'm sure, 100%. And I wanted to show you the mountain here, but like the hotel on the mountain and all that. But we don't have a nice view, so well, anyway. Let's just keep going. Pues, no, in English, true. So, what we did? We basically bought some new pants, some new gloves. Finally, the pantos. I don't know if you see them. Kinda nice. And now we're going home. Fuck it. I'm dying. No, you go. Fuck. Wait. Let's see what he wants. Let's see what he wants. What? What kind of road? I don't know. The most beautiful one. Okay? Let's go. Let's see. So yeah guys, I hope you like the episode basically. We are gonna have some more shots, but like not a lot of shit actually, because I don't have a lot of battery. And that's it. Like what we saw, we're gonna see it again now. So I don't think we are gonna do much more. But if we see something interesting, I'll let you know. Okay? Okay, so up there is raining, okay? And like all the clouds are basically how do you say, like accumulating, standing. I fucking forgot English, guys, sorry. Okay? I stopped speaking English, I started speaking Canarian, and now I only know how to speak Canarian, mi niño. So all of you need to understand in Canarian, okay? Well, anyway, all the clouds stay there, so everything like start accumulating, and basically all that is like mist and rain. So it's basically like UK, and yeah, we are probably gonna end up there, and that's okay. Like I will not complain. I have, in case it's gonna rain, I have something back there. Shit. But I don't really feel like, I mean, yeah, fuck it. A bit of rain is always good. I won't complain. I already complained too much by being here, by not being able to basically, motherfucker, he just tossed a fucking piece of paper in the ground. But yeah, I want to show you the new pants, but I don't know how. Wow. They are nice, eh? Flexing the pantos. Look at the mountain, so pretty. I mean, look at everything, so fucking pretty. Like, that doesn't look like Canarias at all, eh? Crazy though. Insane. So we are in Los Realejos. That, I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the places that I would like to move in. Because I mean, you don't feel it, but do you see that everything is black, everything is cold? That I miss. I miss cold. I miss seasons, curva. I don't want always to be like summer or like a bit of a summer without some degrees. You know, like we have summer and we have summer, but you have 27 degrees. And it's like, wow, those are the two seasons basically. And I would like to stop recording. Let's see if I can. I don't know, guys, if you see how steep is that ship, like crazy, man. We are going so high, what the fuck? One of the steepest hill I ever saw. Steep step, I don't know. The right side. Let's go. Look at that, bro, what the fuck? Damn. Do you remember about the mountain? Bro. Well, we're in another island here, I guess. Crazy. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at the views, boy. Tenerife. I will wait for you, eh? Like, whoever want to come and experiment that, free to come. No, I wanted to go there, I'm not gonna lie, eh? Oh shit, and now what? Fuck. I think if I brake too much, bro, the fuck? Are you okay, Fabrizio? I think if we brake too much, we fucked up. Though we are basically vertical, like, come on. What the fuck? Like, if I put my leg straight, it just go forward. No, don't make me do that, Fabri. Oh shit. No. So I think he got lost. Wait, give me a second. I stopped recording. Are we recording? Yes. Look at that. Look, such a pretty island, eh? And we are basically doing like the mountain or that side of the mountain. It's fucking gorgeous. So fucking pretty. Look at that. Look at those views. If something half the island are like amazing fucking views, like that's incredible. Maybe not places, but like views and all like that, damn, crazy. All the north side. Very beautiful. But we have the car just behind us. check a bit more. Ah, we already passed by here before, yeah, true. And here ocean. All the ocean. And that's it. Basically. Oh, look at that. Look at the sky now, how it's changing, eh? Maybe rain, maybe not. Let's see, let's see. Let's do the bets and all that, and later we'll see who wins. But for now, I'm gonna cut. Okay, so we are back in the corner of the island, okay, on the northwest corner, we can call it like that, on the triangle this side, okay, like here, basically. I don't know how to explain it, okay, I cannot put my two hands of the shit, or I don't know how I wanted to say steering wheel, but it's not neither a steering, neither a wheel. But yeah, we're coming back basically, and no rain. For now, no rain. Maybe a bit more higher, yes. But for now, no. And I wanted to show you. No, we cannot see from here. I wanted to show you the Drago. No, us, not us, not the Drago, us. Drago, it's a millenarian tree, basically. But no Drago. Oh, no Drago. Sorry. We can see the. Maybe we get a bit higher, but I don't think so. If you want to check it in internet, I recommend you just put Drago CANARY, and it will show you a picture of us, and later another one of the tree. Should be around there. Oh yeah, well, anyway. See, I told you, he's crazy. But I am his son, so I must follow him. By the way, I think battery of the camera is gonna run out very soon. So just in case it run out before we can do some outro, I will do already here the outro, just in case, okay? I hope you like the video, guys. I hope you like the English commentary for this one. There will be more videos in English. There will be way more videos in Tenerife. First we're gonna do like road videos like that one. And later we are gonna do off-road videos, okay? So just in case, again, the battery of the camera will not hold on because I don't think we have a lot more battery. Chicos, we are gonna do it in Spanish. I'm sorry, we are used to it, and it's the tradition. So now, yes, see ya. Have a nice day, nice evening, nice morning, depending on when you are gonna watch that video. And now, yes, ¡hala! Hasta el siguiente video. Now battery can run out when it wants. No matter. Still no rain, by the way. Sorry, moto. Now I turn to the right. Yeah. It's so different though driving when you know what's coming after, you know? Poorly lean. We didn't run in all the time we were in Europe, and here today we are going pretty fast, not gonna lie. Oh, look all the mist! Silent Hill, boys. Here we are. We found it. We found the silent of the hill. And yes, we're still in Tenerife, by the way. And you still recording? Yeah, actually, yeah. Somehow. Come on, Fabri. Coldito, eh? Now, yeah, we go. La jugamos. Rápido, rápido, rápido. Okay. Ah, damn. Pretty thick the mist, eh? Not gonna lie, like Silent Hill, but very Silent Hill. I can barely see. Just in case. Look at that. Crazy, brother, the CANARY. I mean, I know it, but so it is the... And I'm only wearing a hoodie, by the way. In every part of Europe, with the weather like that, you will not live.